Welcome back to another crypto video. Good evening, gents. I hope you're all doing well. Thanks for jumping back into another video. If you're new here, do jump into the Discord community. You can find the link down in the description. You can see that I've just been speaking about recent projects. There's a bit of charting going on as well. So yeah, jump into the Discord. It's completely free, and voice your opinions, and we can all talk about some different projects. So today we can look at God's Unchained, another price prediction and price analysis video, and also a bit of fundamentals, I suppose. I was looking through the Reddit, and someone literally posted 6 hours ago, I played this game at the beginning of the second set, sold my cards after the second marketplace opened, and just logged back into IMEX. So basically this guy made a lot of money already just from this pay to earn crypto game. And when you scroll through, literally you can see, I don't know if they are 100% legit, but it looks like people are making a lot of money from this. I mean, this seems like a genuine thing to say, like they're actually having to take this in and take a breather just to realize how insane this opportunity is and what the decentralized finance DeFi world is offering these people. So yeah, let's have a little look. Also, another really cool thing, this is the marketplace of God's Unchained. So the cards, for instance, are actually sold for real Ethereum, as you can see. Like this one here is sold for 0.01. This is listed for 0.1. So it's almost like an NFT marketplace, except people are trading and selling cards, like it could be Pokemon cards or something. You can see on the Twitter page, God's Unchained integrates with SushiSwap, automated Ask Me Anything happening now in Sushi's Discord. So that's really cool to see this kind of partnerships. And also 1 million battles were fought in the last week alone, so it just shows how many people are really playing this. And I really think that this could be like the next Axie Infinity and beyond, really. So Gods is currently trading at $5.56 at rank 318. You can see we're chilling at 186 billion market cap with trading volume at 35 million. Over 30 days, this is one of those coins that's really resistant to the whole downtrend at the moment. 7 days, I mean, look, we're up 30% over the last 24 hours. We're up 8.8%. And if you looked at my last video, we were saying how we had a price target of $9.9, and we got quite close, $8.9. We're about a dollar away. And, we're just looking at some simple supports and resistances. So if we hop into the 4 hour, we can see that we've got lots of support here. This wick demonstrated big buying pressure at $2.80, and we had a descending triangle. We had a falling wedge, which we fell out of, but we did find support along the horizontal trend line once again. Now the thing I was looking at is the real decline on the volume. We lost some volume, but we can see a bit's picked up again. And I don't know what announcements are going to happen in terms of exchange releases and things, but it's good to see that we did almost get to that price target, and that was on our Fibonacci extension here. We came up to the 1414. So this makes me think, where can we come up to next? If we get to the next golden Fibonacci, it's going to be $11.05. If we come to the 1414 again, we'll get $10.07. And it just depends on if we can continue the rally, continue the uptrend. I mean, on the 4 hour time frame, we are testing the 20-day moving average now, which is quite good to see. We're not really, we're sitting pretty neutral on the relative strength index. And I think, when we have the swing high, the swing low, swing high, swing low, this is where we sort of need to trade sideways and really hold this area of support. Because if we break this horizontal line, we're going to come down to these lower levels. We'll come down to the 3-4. And, if we get the Fibonacci retracement, even the golden fib level, we came just below that, and the 0.786 is just below this support line here that I just jotted in. So there are kind of areas and ranges that you need to sort of keep an eye out on. On the 30-minute time frame, I'm not really seeing any bearish divergences over here, but I am just seeing that decline in volume. And this was a bit of a V-shaped recovery. This was quite a fast event. I think that's anomalous. I don't actually know what could have caused that. But here we had a lot of consolidation. We had a nice symmetrical triangle playthrough. It looks like we're getting a bit of a bull flag. with a small rising channel. We've got this rising value over here, which looks pretty good. Perhaps we can just trade in this nice little uptrend and just follow this through, and help us break through some key resistance areas such as $6.20 over here. As you can see, where we lost a lot of support before. If we can work our way now up to $6.12, I think that's realistic, that we trade within this sort of range over here. And I do generally think we're going to be back above $6 by the end of today. I just think this coin's got a lot of traction. I mean, look at the size of this green candle on the 4 hour. That looks really, really strong. It's really solid. And from a technical perspective, if we were to measure the width of this against the size of the breakout, we're pretty much on target from this symmetrical triangle breakout. So if we can hold here and trade sideways for a while more, I think we're on the way to $6 plus again. And once we break through this $6 mark, we're going to come up to the $6.70 mark as well. So there's some key resistance levels, some targets in the short term. Here are some support levels over here. But I think, really long term, I can imagine this coming to $10 plus, because for that to happen, this market cap only needs to go to $360 million. However, we need to consider the total supply of this coin. I don't know if they have it listed here, but what I do know is it's not fully diluted and the total supply is nowhere near released. As you can see, look at that. Circulating supply, we have 33 million with a max supply of 500 million. So under 10% of the actual circulation is currently, circulating. So it's quite a worrying thing. For example, if 200 million were just released right now. So that's kind of what I'm taking into perspective. We've got this resistance, support. And yeah, looking good. Looking very good, Gods Unchained. So if you did like the content, do subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video. Bye for now.